Hey my friends, welcome back to funkidscollection.com. Gusto tatahapin kita fun lunchbox from KindiKids. Also, we have this cute little surprise. Got Cloudees minis. Chandroni mene, deshikim de kancha. Sifilim, leta hapim, Cloudees minis. There are 3 surprises. Branda na katakuti. Doden 3 surpriza. Wow. Cloudees. That's so adorable, shume bukur. Here's eshte. Collector's guide. He is wistful platypus. He's right here. Hot popular. Is so popular. Very nice. Super cute. Shume bukur. Dekata zogune bukur munda fusti branda na kuti. Very nice, right? Super cute. Alright. And now it's time to open Fun Lunchbox.
Yay! I'm so excited!
Magic spoon, luga magiche,
Sandwich,
sandwichi,
fruit cup treats,
gota me fruta,
and lunch break!
the chantai bukas. Ditaš tu, Brenda, kaj the 4 shopkins included. So let's open it and have some fun! Yoo!
And stay with us and don't move. Chicken to tantrum!
Teka tu kemi të gjitha jashtë nga kutia, le t'i shohim së bashku. Kemi sandwich. Have a sandwich here. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy. All right, we have the magic spoon. And the fruit cup. Also, here we've got the lunchbox. Këtu kemi canta në ushqimit. Super cute. Oops. Super cute. Let's open it. Let our heart in. Then wash it. The lunchbox is amazing, isn't it?
Yeah!
It's lovely. You can buy shopkins separately and store them inside.
Shume bukur.
Shume bukur. Kjo pratë dashur miq, ishte gjithçka ne kishim përgatitur për ju sot.
Faleminderit që shikoni videon ton and mos harroni të regjistroheni në funkidscollection.com.
Për më shumë video të tjera shumë të bukura. Yoo-hoo! Very cute. Amazing.
Excellent.
Bye my friends. We'll see you next video. Bye.